Today we'll be unboxing Boat AirDops 121 V2 True Wireless Earbuds. So I have this cute little box with me, perfect for gifting someone. On the front side of this box, there's an image of the charging case along with the earbuds, and it says Get Set Play. If you look at the back side of this box, there are some key features mentioned like 3 times extra charge, instant pairing, single press, voice assistant and easy access. So this is all about the box. Let's open it and see what's inside. So the box looks really neat. There's a mini box inside this box, the charging case and all the booklets. So first we have the 1-year warranty card from the company, so it's a good deal, and one extra booklet which contains the information about other products provided by Boat. And here we have the user manual. It contains all the necessary information like the technical specifications, and it details out all the key features that are available. Let's see what's inside this mini box. So there are some spare ear tips. You can use the one which is the perfect fit for you. And there's a charging cable. It's a traditional micro USB. It's a beautiful charging case from Boat. It looks premium. It has matte finish and it's made up of plastic. The body is strong. Here's the charging port. You can charge it using this USB cable. So I'll open it now. So this is the display screen where you can see the percentage of battery left. It works on magnetic touch. So this is all about the charging case. Now I'll take out the earbuds. So these are the earbuds. They are ergonomically designed so they'll fit your ears perfectly. They have matte finish and that's why they look so stylish, and they're lightweight also. They have a multi-purpose touch button to answer calls, change songs and for voice assistance. So this was all about the unboxing of the Boat AirDops 121 V2 True Wireless Earbuds. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this,